Welcome. My name is Carolyn McDonald. I'm president and co-founder of NavtechGPS, a small woman-owned company that's been producing technical seminars for engineers like yourselves since 1984. The second part of our company is in the value-added resale of GPS products, which is run by Frank Boynton, who is our vice president and CTO. Before I tell you more about our seminars, I'd like you to meet Frank.
As CTO of NavtechGPS, one of the things I enjoy most is talking with customers, learning about their GNSS-related challenges, and presenting a complete solution to push their project forward. For 30 years, I've been helping customers solve their biggest GNSS, INS, GNSS distribution, OEM integration, and high-accuracy GNSS challenges. For almost any application you can imagine, from autonomous vehicles to general GNSS precision, NavtechGPS has the experience and knowledge to provide individualized solutions for your next project. I look forward to hearing from you and working together to bring your application to life. Now, I'd like to introduce our Technical and Government Sales Account Manager, Pressy Jessen.
As the Technical and Government Sales Account Manager for NavtechGPS, the most satisfying part of my job is to be able to provide and deliver exactly what our customers need when they need it. Since 1997, I've been working with many of the biggest companies in the world on their largest GNSS-related procurements. I find exactly what they need in our expansive inventory of GNSS and GNSS-related products by committing the time and dedication necessary to understand their goals and deliver the perfect solution. From low-cost GNSS receivers to complex INS solutions, NavtechGPS has everything you need. Now I'll turn things back over to Carolyn in our seminar department.
Our courses range in degree of difficulty from the fundamentals of GPS through highly advanced topics. At the core of our success are our world-class instructors who are highly gifted at relating the technical information they give you to the problems you're trying to solve back at work. To discuss the presentation of our technical materials, I'd like to introduce you to Trevor Boynton, who is our new seminar manager.
As NavtechGPS's seminar manager, I've had the pleasure of developing our new remote course format. In doing so, I've worked closely with our instructors, who are some of the brightest stars in GNSS. With their assistance, not only has NavtechGPS been able to continue our services without interruption, we've been able to improve on our training format. With our new remote course format, we're able to offer both private and public organizations a convenient and engaging new format that doesn't sacrifice on the high educational standards that people have come to expect in over 35 years of seminar experience. I hope to continue on that legacy of success by bringing your organization the training that you need in this new educational landscape. Now, I'd like to introduce you to some of our instructors so they can give you a better sense of everything that our courses have to offer.
Hello, I'm John Betts. I've been working on GNSS for more than 2 decades, contributing to signal design, receiver design, and the design of different sat-nav systems. Some of this work has addressed civil or open signals. I've also worked extensively on military GPS. Along the way, I've worked with some really smart people and I've learned a lot. And for the past 15 years, it's been my pleasure to teach for NavtechGPS, helping others learn about the fascinating, challenging, ever-changing world of GNSS. I teach a 5-day course on advanced signals and receiver design, helping attendees become proficient in GNSS systems engineering, in the knowledge of the world's sat-nav systems and their signals, and in design and analysis of modern GNSS receivers. When you've completed this course, you will be equipped to take advantage of signals from multiple sat-nav systems. I also teach a 2-in-1 half-day course on military GPS receiver performance and jamming. It's targeted at those involved in specification, operations, planning, evaluation, testing, and use of military GPS user equipment. Attendees develop tools needed for understanding and assessing various aspects of military user equipment capabilities and the basics of mitigating jamming. I hope to get a chance to work with you in an upcoming course.
Hello, my name is Mike DeJean, and I've been an instructor for NavtechGPS since 2008. I started my professional career in 1988 at Honeywell Aerospace in Clearwater, Florida. Lecturing for NavtechGPS affords me the opportunity to combine my experience in inertial navigation with my passion for teaching. The technical seminar that I teach with Dr. Pugh is unique. Former students have described it as the information equivalent of several graduate level semesters distilled into a single week. When you're done with our seminar, you will have all the information you will need to perform an analysis and determine the quality of IMU and GPS you will need to meet your performance requirements, write your own local level strap-down navigator and your own extended Kalman filter, aid your navigator with any aiding device, be it GPS or something completely novel, and test, analyze, debug, and optimize the performance of your system. I look forward to having you in my next class.
Hi, I'm Alan Pugh, the instructor for the first half of the Inertial Systems Kalman Filtering and GPS-INS Integration course. I am recently retired from the Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Laboratory, where I was the chief scientist of the Air and Missile Defense Systems sector. I've worked in guidance, navigation, and control of airborne and space systems for over 45 years, including advanced integration of GPS and inertial navigation systems. I've taught this course and its predecessors for 20 years. My colleague Mike Vajon and I have worked on many GPS-INS applications and have the teaching experience that we know the complexities and conceptual hurdles faced by students seeking to learn about GPS-INS integration. To that end, we have structured the course so that you will have all of the tools and references necessary to proceed with your own GPS-INS and Kalman filter designs.
If you're interested in taking one of our courses, please go to NavtechGPS.com to find detailed descriptions as well as a registration form. We hope to see you in the near future. Thank you.